When you think of bats, what comes to mind? Spooky caves, Dracula, maybe even diseases? For centuries, these creatures of the night have been misunderstood, painted as villains in our stories and fears. But what if I told you that bats are actually one of nature's greatest unsung heroes? What if the real threat isn't the bat, but us? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain of night and reveal the incredible, hidden world of bats. Prepare to have your mind changed. Let's start with a big one, disease. It's true that bats, like all mammals, can carry viruses. But the narrative that they are flying pests just waiting to make us sick is wildly overblown. In fact, you're more likely to contract rabies from a dog than a bat. The real issue rises when human activities, like deforestation and urban sprawl, push us into closer contact with wildlife. We invade their homes, stressing their populations and increasing the chances of any pathogen-jumping species. So, the problem isn't that bats exist, it's that we are forcing them into our backyards. We are the ones creating the risk. Now, let's talk about the good stuff, and there's a lot of it. Imagine a world swarming with insects. A world where your summer evenings are ruined by clouds of mosquitoes. That's a world without bats. A single little brown bat, a common species in North America, can eat up to 1,000 mosquito-sized insects in just 1 hour. 1,000. A colony of bats can consume literally tons of insects every single night. They are nature's pest control, working for free. They protect us from mosquito-borne illnesses like West Nile virus and Zika. And they do it far more effectively and safely than any chemical pesticide ever could. Their pest control services aren't just for our backyards. They're crucial for our food supply. Many of the insects bats love to eat are major agricultural pests, moths, beetles, and leafhoppers that would otherwise decimate crops like corn, cotton, and pecans end up as a bat's midnight snack. Economists have actually put a number on this. In the United States alone, bats save the agricultural industry an estimated $23 billion every year. Billion with a B. That's money saved on pesticides, money saved from crop loss, and a more sustainable way to grow our food. Next time you enjoy some corn on the cob, you might just have a bat to thank for it. But their services don't stop there. In tropical and desert climates, many bats have a different, but equally important, job. They are pollinators. While bees get all the glory for pollinating during the day, bats take the night shift. Over 500 species of plants around the world rely on bats for pollination. What kind of plants, you ask? How about the very plant that gives us tequila? That's right, the agave plant is pollinated almost exclusively by bats. Without them, we'd have to say goodbye to margaritas. They also pollinate wild bananas, mangoes, cashews, and the famous durian fruit. These nectar bats have long snouts and even longer tongues, perfectly designed to reach deep into night-blooming flowers to drink nectar. Picking up and spreading pollen along the way, they're essential architects of these ecosystems. And there's more. Fruit-eating bats are the master gardeners of the rainforest. They are incredible seed dispersers. Unlike birds that might drop seeds right under the parent tree, bats can fly long distances before they digest and excrete the seeds. This process, called chiroptery, is vital for reforesting cleared areas and maintaining genetic diversity in the forest. They fly over logged or burned land, dropping seeds that will one day grow into new trees. They are literally regenerating the lungs of our planet, one flight at a time. Some seeds even need to pass through a bat's digestive system to be able to germinate. Without these flying farmers, many tropical forests would struggle to recover and thrive. So, we have mosquito eaters, crop protectors, pollinators, and rainforest replanters. Bats are keystone species, meaning their role is so critical that entire ecosystems would collapse without them. Yet, despite their immense value, but populations around the world are in serious trouble. One of the biggest threats they face in North America is a devastating fungal disease called white nose syndrome. It's a fungus that grows on hibernating bats, causing them to wake up too often during the winter, burning through their fat reserves and leading to starvation. It has wiped out millions upon millions of bats, with some cave populations declining by over 90%. Imagine 9 out of every 10 people in your city disappearing. That's the scale of devastation we're talking about. And again, human activity is a major culprit. The fungus that causes white nose syndrome was unintentionally brought to North America from Europe, likely by cavers or tourists. It spread like wildfire because our native bats had no natural immunity. Beyond disease, bats face threats from habitat loss as forests are clear and caves are disturbed. Wind turbines, while a great source of clean energy, can be deadly for bats if not sited and operated correctly. And simple fear and misunderstanding lead people to harm bat colonies, not realizing they are destroying a vital community asset. So, what can we do? The first step is what you're doing right now, learning. Understanding the true nature of bats and their importance is crucial. Busting the myths and spreading the facts can change public perception from fear to appreciation. Next, we can support the environments that support bats. Protecting natural habitats like forests and wetlands is key. If you have a yard, you can make it more bat-friendly. Avoid using pesticides. Leave some dead trees standing if it's safe to do so, as they provide natural resting spots. And you can even install a bat house. A bat house is a simple wooden box that gives bats a safe place to raise their young. It's like putting out a welcome mat for nature's best pest control. When we see a bat, our first instinct shouldn't be fear. It should be respect. These are highly intelligent, social animals with complex family structures. They are the only mammals capable of true flight, a marvel of evolution. They navigate the pitch-black night using a sophisticated sonar system called echolocation, painting a picture of the world with sound. They are mothers who care for their pups, and they are vital members of our global ecosystem. The story of the bat is a perfect example of how our misunderstanding of nature can lead us to fear, and even destroy, the very things that help us survive. They don't lurk in the shadows as monsters. They work in the shadows as heroes. They clean our air of insects, help grow our food, and replant our forests. The health of bat populations is a direct indicator of the health of our environment. Their decline is a warning bell that we need to listen to. By protecting bats, we are not just saving a fascinating creature of the night. We are protecting our own food security, our health, and the stability of the natural world we all depend on. The real monsters aren't the ones with wings. They are the ones who destroy the environment without a second thought. Let's choose to be heroes. Instead, thank you for watching. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world.